person that taught me how to ride a clutch, honestly, so I blame him.
Oh, thanks.
You probably thought, hey, that's a cool wheelie. Problem is, this grip, throttle stuck wide open. That was sketchy. So when you hit there, well, you go wide open, you get something up in it. We're going to trim that up. All right, cut that off. Should be clear now. As Dave pointed out, that's probably why ATV grips don't have that, but. $5.25. Needs a little clutch fluid, but looks like it's up. So we got the clutch bled out on the KTM mineral oil only, but after a quick little Google search, we found out vegetable oil will suffice, and the clutch works better than ever. Long-term review coming up. So it's really not that bad, but it was something stopped up because it would run on ether and it wouldn't stay idling. If I had to guess, this pilot jet's gonna have some trash in it. So I know a lot of the questions I get is like, why do you work on carburetors so much? Or why don't you run them out of gas and you won't have to do that? It's just, it's a good problem to have, but this many machines, they just, they always need something. So like this one, it's not like it's completely gummed up and the fuel's just sludge. It's just, man, just the bad fuel these days. And the amount of time they sit, they just always need something, so hence why I'm always going through carbs. So knowing I might have to do this, I cut a piece of wire off my wire wheel. You can use just like stranded wire, but this one's usually a little stiffer and that little edge kind of helps. So let's see what we got, as long as it's long enough. tell if we're through yet. It's definitely stopping. So let's start with a single piece. This is just so much softer. I don't know if it's going to work. All right, so I can see daylight through there. Let's see if I can focus. That's my finger. There you go. All right, so even though this VP says specifically, do not store fuel in motor vehicles, drain carburetor after each use, I'm still gonna put it in there and hope for the best. green. It's about like the 400. But I'm thinking the needle and seat on this one is not letting fuel through. I'm pretty sure. Let's see if I can zoom in enough you can see it. All right, it is right in there. It is definitely stuck. Needle is not moving, letting any fuel in the bowl. It might be seeping in over time is why there was some in there. So pull those out, clean it up, should be good to go. All right, so that's the needle inside the seat there, and it should just fall right out, but it's stuck in there and not allowing any fuel into the bowl. So we gotta get that out and get it cleaned up. As you can see, it is just gunked up. I'm sure it's more of the same in there. All right, we've got the main components of the carb that get dirty disassembled. Got the jets out, got the needle, air fuel, the float, and the bowl. Get all that cleaned up and see how she does.